What if I told you that staying poor isn't always about how much you earn? It's often about the habits you repeat every single day. Millions of people work hard, earn a paycheck, and still struggle financially. Meanwhile, others with average incomes slowly build wealth year after year. The difference isn't always income, it's habits. In today's video, I'll share 7 money habits that quietly keep people poor, and more importantly, how to replace them with habits that help you build real wealth. Let's get started. Habit number 1, spending before saving. The first habit is spending before saving. Most people pay their bills, buy what they want, and then try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. The problem is, there's usually nothing left. Instead, pay yourself first. The moment you receive your paycheck, move a portion directly into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even saving just 10% consistently can completely change your financial future. Wealth isn't built by saving what's left. It's built by making saving your first priority. Habit number 2, living beyond your means. The second habit is lifestyle inflation. Many people get a raise at work and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A bigger apartment, a newer car, the latest phone, more expensive clothes. As income increases, spending increases too. That's why some people earning 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Instead of increasing your lifestyle every time your income grows, increase your investments. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become rich. Habit number 3, not having a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. One of the easiest budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest 20%. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. Habit number 4, misusing credit cards. Credit cards can be useful, but they can also become one of the biggest wealth killers. If you carry a balance every month, you're paying high interest on money you've already spent. Instead, only use your credit card if you can pay the full balance on time. A credit card should be a financial tool, not a source of debt. Habit number 5, never investing. Many people avoid investing because they think it's too risky. But here's the truth, not investing can be even riskier. Inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of your money every year. Investing allows your money to grow through compound returns. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You just need to start. Habit number 6, buying things to impress others. Many people spend money they don't have to impress people who don't really care. Luxury brands, expensive gadgets, designer clothes. None of these automatically make you wealthy. Assets build wealth, not expensive purchases. Before buying something costly, ask yourself one simple question. Will this make me richer, or will it only make me look richer? That single question can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Habit number 7, never learning about money. Financial education is one of the best investments you can ever make. Most schools don't teach budgeting, investing, taxes, or building wealth. That's why it's your responsibility to learn. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos. The more you learn about money, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge creates confidence, and confidence leads to better financial choices. Let's quickly recap the 7 habits keeping people poor. Number 1, spending before saving. Number 2, living beyond your means. Number 3, not having a budget. Number 4, misusing credit cards. Number 5, never investing. Number 6, buying things to impress others. And number 7, never learning about money. Remember, building wealth isn't about making one huge decision. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.